The AI race is heating up. Google just unveiled its powerful new language model, Gemini. This versatile AI wonder promises to outsmart rivals like GPT-4 and Orca 2 across tasks involving text, images, audio, video, and even coding. So which model reigns supreme? Gemini, Orca 2, or GPT-4? Grab some popcorn and let's analyze their head-to-head benchmark battles. Kicking off this clash of the AI titans is cunning little Orca 2. Microsoft's latest 7 billion parameter model focuses on efficiently solving problems using strategic reasoning rather than brute force computing power alone. In one benchmark containing thousands of grade school math word problems, Orca 2 astoundingly solved 97% correctly in a zero-shot setting. No prior training on similar examples. This remarkable feat edges out leading models like GPT-4 and Llama 2, demonstrating Orca 2's adeptness at breaking down lengthy, multi-step logic puzzles. Delving deeper, while models like GPT-4 and Gemini often struggle with mathematical reasoning involving chained logic jumps, Orca 2 strategically breaks down problems into compact, tangible steps. Moreover, Orca 2 contains specialized modules explicitly designed for mathematical operations, like numeric registers tracking values during multi-step equations, allowing more complex logic chains. Such structural support grants Orca 2 an intrinsic edge for mathematical domains. Additionally, Orca 2 shines in assessments requiring generating computer code from natural language descriptions, a crucial benchmark for applied AI. Surprisingly, it even boosts specialized programming assistants like AlphaCode 2, built specifically for coding tasks. This exhibits Orca 2's versatility in deeply understanding language concepts and programmatically translating them into functional logical code. Next up, we have OpenAI's previous champion GPT-4, which pioneered ChatGPT. But before we talk about the comparison, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future updates. Coming back, although Orca 2 and Gemini may best GPT-4 in certain intelligence metrics, GPT-4 still reigns supreme in free-form conversational abilities. For instance, while Gemini narrowly edges GPT-4 in specific language comprehension tests, GPT-4's engaging chatbot consistently delights people by adeptly discussing nuanced domains. This demonstrates the artfulness and communication skills woven into GPT-4's foundations. Finally, we have Google's new creation Gemini, which dominates GPT-4 across 94% of academic AI benchmarks, topping assessments, evaluating mathematical reasoning, visual comprehension, cross-modal abilities, and adaptability. A crucial advantage Gemini possesses is its smooth, multimodal design, adeptly blending connections between different data modalities like text, images, and audio. This flexible architecture enables Gemini's versatility in both understanding and generating data across modalities. For example, Gemini can reliably identify objects in images, comprehend audio narrations, and hallucinate plausible corresponding text, showcasing its cross-modal mastery. Moreover, Gemini can generate logical step-by-step photo streams or coherent text-interpreting audio clips, guided solely by imaginative natural language instructions. Such versatile combinatorial skills empower Gemini's dominance across a sweeping range of academic evaluations. However, Gemini's specialization comes at the cost of skimping on focused domains mastered by smaller models like Orca 2. Additionally, Gemini's larger model size facilitates the retention of more well-integrated factual knowledge and learned skills. This expanded knowledge capacity further enables Gemini to breeze through broad benchmarks. So, in summary, Google's Gemini dominates in versatility. Its smooth blending of text, visuals, and audio fuels supremacy in multimodal benchmarks. Orca 2 is an efficient, specialized alternative. Its step-by-step strategic logic powers through complex math problems and software tasks where larger models struggle. And creativity, first GPT-4, still leads in sheer conversational charm, through ChatGPT. Could cunning Orca 2 become an economic staple? Will Gemini's versatility maintain dominance as rivals catch up? Share your exciting speculations below.